Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you how to replace the oil filter of Ford Focus. That one is produced 2001 till 2004 and it's 1.8 TDCI in diesel, 115 power horse or 85 kilowatts. We use that tool to lose the filter, then we take it out by hand. That's metal filter, our filter, and that kind of filter we tighten only by hand. We don't use tools for tightening. And the other things that you have to know is before they put the new filter, there's a seal on it. You have to lubricate it, otherwise may damage it and may stick on the corpus of the engine. That's it, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel FIX Sevt AUTO. Thank you.